This is one of the most exciting developments I have seen in AI recently. LLMs are getting transformed once and for all. But how? Subtle one-word answer: AutoGen. To start things off, it requires a lot of effort and expertise to design, implement, and optimize a workflow that can leverage the full potential of large language models, also known. As developers begin to create increasingly complex module applications, workflows will inevitably grow more intricate. But that's not all. I think such workflows have a large and complicated design space, which makes it more difficult to coordinate an ideal workflow with reliable performance. Creating a group of agents with distinct jobs and skills is the first step in constructing a sophisticated multi-agent communication system using AutoGen. But then again, what's the motive behind all this? It specifies how agents should interact with one another, such as how to respond to messages from other go-betweens. And in my opinion, both these steps are intuitive and modular, making these agents reusable and composable. So, AutoGen allows you to do what a lot of projects are already doing manually, which is have multiple agents working together to accomplish a task. Absolutely, you've hit the nail on the head. The power of multiple AI agents working in tandem is truly transformative. Whether you're delving into coding, planning, creative writing, or any other endeavor, the synergy of these agents significantly elevates the quality of the final output. It's a dynamic and iterative process where one agent takes the lead, another cross-checks the work, and yet another offers valuable feedback, resulting in a refined end product that's nothing short of exceptional. AutoGen's smooth integration is what makes it so beautiful. It functions similarly to a multi-purpose tool that can be easily added to any project, greatly expanding its potential. Even more impressive is the fact that it can be used in place of OpenAI's API. Therefore, there's no need to completely redesign your system if you already have a codebase that uses OpenAI's API. You may easily integrate multi-agent functionality into your current framework using AutoGen, which will facilitate a seamless transition. I've emphasized a crucial component of what makes AutoGen so remarkable. It functions as a state-of-the-art platform that makes large language model workflow planning, optimization, and automation easier and more efficient. AutoGen is unique in that it provides agents that are both conversible and configurable, utilizing the powerful features of cutting-edge LLMs like GPT-4. On top of that, these agents expertly handle and deal with their limits in addition to completely using their abilities. But it's not just limited to that. In fact, AutoGen's versatility allows you to incorporate any large language model into its framework, as long as the model has an API. This means you have the freedom to choose the most suitable language model for your specific needs, ensuring that AutoGen can adapt to various scenarios and preferences. The process of creating a complex multi-agent conversation system with AutoGen is remarkably straightforward. It all comes down to defining a set of agents, each with specialized capabilities and roles. This dynamic approach allows you to tailor your conversational system to the unique requirements of your project, ensuring that the right agents are in place to handle specific tasks and interactions. On top of that, AutoGen offers a level of customization and control that empowers you to build conversation systems that are not only effective, but also perfectly aligned with your goals. So, whether you're working with OpenAI's API or another language model, AutoGen puts the power of advanced conversational AI in your hands. Imagine having an AI-based engineering dream team at your disposal, each agent contributing its unique expertise to the project. An AI agent may take on the role of an engineer, coming up with designs and technological solutions. Being the project manager, another agent may be in charge of scheduling, allocating resources, and assigning tasks. The quality assurance agent then makes sure the project satisfies the highest requirements and follows quality control procedures. The real magic happens when you define the interaction behavior between these agents. This step is like choreographing a dance, where you specify how each agent responds when it receives a message from another agent. This level of customization allows you to fine-tune the collaboration, ensuring that the interactions are seamless, productive, and in line with your project's objectives. AutoGen comes with two default agents. One of them is the user proxy agent, which essentially acts as an AI agent that represents and works on behalf of the user. This agent serves as a bridge between the human user and the AI agents, ensuring a smooth and user-friendly user-friendly interaction experience. It can understand and convey the user's requests, preferences, and instructions to the other agents, making the conversation more natural and intuitive. By providing this user proxy agent, AutoGen simplifies the communication process and enables users to engage with the AI agents in a way that feels familiar and user-centric. This approach enhances the overall user experience and makes working with AI agents more accessible and user-friendly. Plus, there is this assistant agent, which is essentially the most basic kind of an agent available. The person who will be really developing the code, and the example that we just covered is the assistant agent. The text reads as follows: a user proxy agent and assistant agents from AutoGen may be used to produce an improved version of ChatGPT plus code interpreter plus plugins. The assistant agent plays the role of an AI assistant like Bing Chat or ChatGPT. The user proxy agent plays the role of the user and simulates user's behavior, such as code execution. So if that user proxy agent weren't there, the assistant agent would pass me the code and then I would open up Visual Studio Code and just run the code. But now that we have our user proxy agent, the user proxy agent can actually run the code itself, saving me time. AutoGen automates the chat between two agents while allowing human feedback for the intervention. The user proxy seamlessly engages humans and uses tools when appropriate. For instance, I may create an interesting graphic representation of the agents and their interactions in order to develop a code-based question answering system. Now, this is something that drives people to see your potential. In supply chain optimization applications, such a system decreases the amount of manual interactions required from 3 times to 10 times. And while using the AutoGen, I have reduced the coding effect by 4 times. Let me tell you this, these agents have vast capabilities enabled by the language models. Hear this out. One can easily configure the usage of an agent in complex tasks that require group chat with advanced inference features like optimized performance with inference parameter tuning. On the other hand, human oversight and intelligence can be obtained by using a proxy agent that exhibits varying degrees of engagement and actions, such automated task completion using GPT-4. Lastly, the agents have native support for module-driven code execution. In my viewpoint, a simple method of using AutoGen's built-in agents is to start an automatic conversation between a user proxy agent and an assistance agent. The conversation-centric design of this agent brings a host of remarkable advantages to the table, making it a game changer in the realm of AI interaction. First and foremost, it effortlessly navigates through the maze of ambiguity, gracefully handling feedback, tracking progress, and fostering effective collaboration. Whether you're brainstorming ideas or working on complex problem solving, this agent's natural conversational flow ensures that you're always on the same page. But that's not all. When it comes to coding-related tasks, it's like having a coding buddy at your disposal. Need help with troubleshooting, tool usage, or just a bit of guidance on your latest project? This agent has got you covered. Engaging in back-and-forth discussions to streamline your coding journey, what sets this design apart is its seamless adaptability. You're in the driver's seat. You can effortlessly opt in or out of the conversation at your convenience, all through the friendly interface of this agent in the chat. It's like having a personal assistant that respects your pace and preferences. The key takeaway from this is that this agent is about promoting group achievement rather than only providing one-on-one support. Besides that, AutoGen's capabilities are truly revolutionary, offering support for automated chat and a wide range of communication patterns. This feature makes it a breeze to difficult and ever-evolving workflows, while also providing the flexibility to experiment with versatility. Now, let me introduce you to a remarkable agent, the Group Chat Manager. Think of it as the maestro of a symphony of AI agents. This is the best solution for bringing your group ideals to life. Whether you're wanting to hold meetings, brainstorm with a team, or just encourage creativity in the group, it permits efficient coordination and communication amongst these bots, allowing group discussions to be held for a variety of objectives. So, if you're ready to take your conversations to the next level, experiment with innovative workflows, and explore the dynamic world of group interactions, AutoGen is your gateway to a new era of AI-driven communication. Subscribe to Innovella for more blues from the world of AI. Many of the best videos I have ever created are currently popping up on your screen. Therefore, click right away. Stay tuned, and I'll see you there shortly.